Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Honor 8X Max and the global variant of the Mi Max 3. Couple confusing names there, I know. Quick disclaimer, you probably hear my puppy running around in the background. I apologize for that, but he's not whining or barking, so I'll take it. Anyway, let's dive in. The Mi Max 3, this is the global variant, like I said. You can see there on the bottom right, it's notated. We're going to do this 1 second since that phone's been out a little bit longer. Let's take a look at the 8X Max. And as you can see on the bottom there, all I did was take off the plastic and break the seals, but I haven't actually touched the phones. So we get it in this cheap looking plastic thing. File that to the side. And the phones come with a sticker on the back saying the IMEI. I'm going to rip that off as well because if you know what you're doing, you could steal my information and phone. So there you go. There's the 8X Max. Now, something I didn't notice that I see in person, I'm going to try to angle the camera there. You see that strip there where it says AI camera and Honor? It's a different color than the rest of the phone. It gives it a pretty cool look, I gotta say. As far as the fingerprint scanner, I like the position, comfortable to hold. The notch is bigger than I thought it would be. I'll say that as well, but we'll see if we can disable that. Go ahead and power that on. The other stuff we get in the box, we get a little SIM ejector tool, as you can see there. Get a nice big case. Nice little manual. A US power brick, so that's cool. That is Huawei made. USB 3, or USB-C, excuse me. And it looks like that's about it. No headphones or anything, but hey, the phone only costs a couple $100, so we can't complain too much, right? They did throw in a free case. Alright, moving that to the side. Let's look at the Max 3. Again, global variant of this phone. Get the nice big screen here. I'll do the same thing, pull this off camera to take off the stuff that I figured would be on the back so you guys can't steal my stuff. And there's the phone itself. Now this one does come with a screen protector pre-installed. The Max 3 does not. I've already done some videos on the Max 3, so I'll go ahead and set both of those to the side. Let's look at what else we get in the box. SIM ejector, a couple manuals per usual, European charger, USB-C, and that's it. No headphones or anything hiding in there, it's just some padding. So let's do a quick size comparison of these, side by side each other, and side by side a couple other devices that I have. So 6.9 inch screen, 7.12, but it does have a notch. I mean, they're pretty close to being the same height. Same height, they feel like the same width. I believe they're both 18:9 screens. Something I'm already excited about, actually, they're at the top of the Honor. You can see the big old speaker grill. That's what I imagine is the stereo speakers. Both phones do have a headphone jack, but here at the bottom, we see micro USB versus USB-C. I apologize if I misspoke earlier. Micro USB on the Honor. There's a little troublemaker running around. Alright, so comparing them against the Galaxy Mega, my favorite phone from like 5 years ago, 6.3 inch screen. That was 16:9. As you can see there, Mega's a little bit wider and shorter than the Max. And the 8X Max, I guess I need to be better here about the names, is again a little bit taller, a little bit narrower, but we expect that given the screen types. And against the Mi Mix 2S, my current daily driver, I mean, both of these are just going to smoke it size-wise. You're looking at 7 inch screens versus one that's 5.99, so there you go. That was a quick unboxing, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to dive into the phones right here. I'll save that for another video. I'll be doing a lot of comparisons of these two side by side, so if that's some information that you want to see, make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.